Welcome to SurvivalScope. My name is Larry. Today we're talking about the 5 most important bushcraft tools you can have in your kit. Whether you're camping or hiking or out bushcrafting or something you just might want to keep in your bug out bag. These are the 5 most important tools you could probably have. Today we'd also like to take a second to thank Beavercraft for sponsoring our video. Beavercraft is a company out of Ukraine that manufactures bushcraft tools, axes, carving tools, all kinds of gear. You need to check them out. So number 1, the survival knife. Everyone needs a good, sharp survival knife. They come in handy for cutting, carving, food preparation, preparing firewood, kindling, stuff like that. So number 1, survival knife. So number 2, everyone needs a fire starter, whether it be matches, a ferro rod, a lighter or something. You need a way to start a fire for warmth, a way to cook your food, and just for morale. I like to use a fire striker. They come in handy in all kind of conditions. You can start a fire in the rain if you needed to with these things. So number 3 on our list is a good folding saw. Everyone should have one of these in their kit. These come in handy for cutting wood for fire, delimbing, building shelters, all kind of stuff. So number 3, the folding saw. Number 4, we have cordage. Paracord, a strong rope, small rope, comes in handy. This stuff you can use to build shelters, make snares and traps, or just tying things together. So number 5 on our list brings us to our sponsor for today's video, Beavercraft. And they contacted us and asked us if we would be interested in reviewing this hatchet if they sent it to us for free. So I told them we'd check it out and I'd give them my honest review. So this is it. It comes in about 11.8 inches long. It has an ash handle, very comfortable design. It handles well. It's made out of a 1060 carbon steel, hand forged. I love the forge marks on the head. It's a 3-inch blade, approximately 3 inches, with a 5-inch long head. It comes very sharp right out of the box. This thing's a pretty handy tool. I've been using it to de-limb trees, clearing our property and stuff like that. And I like the design. It's lightweight, it handles well, and it's pretty sharp. Like I said, it's pretty sharp. Axe also comes with a belt loop you could put on your belt if you'd like to carry it. And it comes with this nice leather blade guard. So let's make some tent stakes with this thing and see how well it performs. So let's see if we can carve us up a spatula with this. Now mind you, I'm not a carver or anything, but we'll see what we can do. So there you go. Like I said, I'm not a carver or anything, but I think you could probably flip a burger over that. It's carved a nice flat side on both sides, pretty thin. But like I said, I'm not a carver. But it'll get the job done. So there you go, folks. The Beavercraft Ax1 Bushcraft Axe. Very versatile tool. It can be used to process tent stakes, as we saw, used for carving. It can be used as a hammer to drive your stakes in the ground. So I've been using this little hatchet on the homestead to de-limb fallen trees, clearing our property up a little bit, getting ready to set up our new homestead. It's a great little tool. The Ax1 Bushcraft Axe by Beavercraft. I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check it out. It's a really versatile tool. I intend on using it quite a bit. It comes in very handy, and I like it. So there you go, folks. If you like this video, please give it a like, leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.